friend, my name is Tushar Tanaji Patil. Today I am going to discuss about inheritance in Java. Inheritance. Inheritance is basically known as inherit the parent class properties into the subclass properties. In technical word, inheritance is access the object in parent class to the object in the parent subclass. This is technical word of the inheritance. But there are 5 types of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance, etc. We can discuss one by one. First, single inheritance. In single inheritance, we can access the parent class property into properties into subclass properties by using the extend keyword. Extend keyword, consider we can create a new class such as a subclass, and we can create a new class as a derived class from the parent class. This is the main use of the extend class, derive from the parent class to the subclass. This use of the extend class, extended keyword, this use of extend keyword, we can achieve the inheritance in Java. And multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance, we can access the parent class to subclass and subclass to the subclass. This is the chain of the accessing the members of the all the members of the parent class in the child class, like variable methods in Java. In the multi-level inheritance, in third type of the inheritance in Java is the hierarchical inheritance in Java. Hierarchical inheritance in Java, one class access to one class methods, properties, variables, fields in two subclass. One suppose class A access class B and class A access class C. This is one class access to both class, and one same method, same member access one to both classes. This is a hierarchical inheritance. In multiple inheritance does not support in Java because multiple inheritance is ambiguity error. But the in we can create multiple inheritance in Java. That's time compiler confused. But compiler confused. Suppose we can access two class in single class. In one class is one class method is same and another class is method same. Both class is method same and accessing same class. In compiler confused which class is accessing the method. That's why we not accessing both class in the single class. That's why compiler confused. This return the ambiguity error. That's why we are in Java multiple inheritance not support. Thank you.